A quick disclaimer before we get into this video. eppfun actually sent me this. I didn't actually purchase it. I just wanted to get that out of the way. Job done. And also I will put links in the video description. That's underneath the video where it says more. There'll be links in there in case you want to actually go to Amazon and purchase this. It costs, at the time of making this video, just under £20, and there is a 10% voucher on there. So make sure if you do buy it, you tick the little box to get the discount. Okay, so it's turned up a little bit battered, as you can see on the packaging. Now this is a Bluetooth adapter. It's audio only, it doesn't do video. I want to make sure I get that out of the way. So we have instructions, and this is the eppfun Cute Meat 600, and oh, lovely little red bag. Look at that, isn't that cute? That's very bright actually. It's a very bright red bag. There's not going to be a lot in it, so don't get too excited. And I think that's it. So it has a USB type C connection adapter. So it goes from USB, that's a USB type 2 connection to a USB C connection. That's very nice. And I do like the way they've done the blue in there as well. So it's blue there, blue there. The actual device itself, this little baby, that is all it is. Tiny little thing. So what you do, you plug it into your device. This will work on PC, PlayStation, it says PS4, PS5, Switch, PC like I just said, Qualcomm APTX, and it has a low latency. I'm not sure how low it is though. It's a wireless audio adapter. So you have the actual device itself, that is it, and a little extension cable, USB type C on one end and USB on the other. Now then, the point of that is you can either just use that to do it like that, and you plug that into your device so it's tiny and out of the way, or if I can get one open, you can use a little cable, or yeah, there's another or. You can actually get a longer cable, but you'd have to purchase that separate. You can get these in quite big lengths as well, just in case. So first things first, yeah, well thought out. They gave you a couple of options. I'm not sure if there's going to be any problems. Can't see any problems at the moment. I'll probably just use that for plugging it into a PC, because we are going to be trying it out on a PC, because I don't have a PlayStation 4, 5 or anything else. Doesn't say anything about the Xbox. Strange. But we are going to be testing it. Don't forget it's Bluetooth, okay? Bluetooth, that means it's wireless. Wireless audio. So make sure you got Bluetooth headset. So with that, let's plug her in. And actually with that I'll read the instructions, then I'll plug her in. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? My motherboard has built-in Bluetooth technology, and just to make sure, I actually turned it off, as you can see up there. I thought best turn it off because we need to see if it works. And all you have to do is plug in the USB adapter, the Bluetooth USB that I plugged in. I didn't need the other adapters to go with it. Didn't need to use the Type C connection. I didn't need to use the little extension cable. Just plugged it straight in, and you get a flashing light. It's a little blue and red light. It flashes. If it's flashing, it means it's trying to pair. All you have to do is make sure you turn off all your other devices that you don't want it to pair to, or turn it off for pairing. If they're pairing, make sure they're turned off, and just make sure whatever device you're using, you're setting it to pair. I am using a speaker. It's at the back of the room, right at the back, and it's a Bluetooth speaker. Or there's 3 different ways of connecting, but one of them is Bluetooth. So all I have to do is on the remote, this logic, is click on BT power, Bluetooth power, yeah. That gives me a flashing light on the speaker. The actual adapter, the audio adapter, actually on the computer flashes, like I said, blue and red, and just let them connect, and they connect. My speaker come up and said paired, and I thought, oh, hopefully it's paired to my computer. So with that, let's try it. So we are on YouTube Audio Library, which is free music to use for your videos. Hear that? See if I've got a mute button here. Oh, I've got a mute button. There. Oops. I broke it. Or was that finished? No, come on, work. Thought I broke it in. Right, I'm going to walk over now. Give me a second. As you can hear, it worked perfectly with no issues whatsoever. I plugged it into my speaker rather than my headphones. I know I said I was going to plug it into headphones, but I thought a speaker's a speaker, whether it's headphone speakers or standalone speaker, they work basically both the same, as long as they got Bluetooth, and my speaker does. I plugged this into my PC, which is over there, and my speaker is right over there, which is about 12 foot away. So the distance I thought was pretty good as well. I also tried it in my phone and it wouldn't work. I couldn't get a flashing light at all out of it, and I believe it's because, I'm guessing, phones do not give it enough power to power it up. I'm guessing. So it comes with the adapter. It comes with a USB 3.0 to a Type-C connection, and it comes with an extension lead as well. And you can get longer ones of these as well. If you need a longer lead, just go on Amazon or somewhere like that, and you can, you know, type in USB to USB Type-C connection, and there'll be loads up there. Just choose one that suits, you know, your needs, whether you need a longer one, and you should be able to find one. But I believe they've done everything you probably need, unless you need to run it a really long distance. And I can't imagine why you want to do that when it's got Bluetooth at the end. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think about getting one, or even if you think it's a good little gadget. I do. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.